Hi everyone and welcome to my first episode of UKULIMBAKERS series. Thanks to Rainier for using his brain excellently. Now we have a word to use. Last week I posted a tutorial video of Tala by Sarah Geronimo, ukulele tutorial. But I'm not so happy that a lot of you disliked my video. And you did not appreciate my dance tutorial, instead you want me to dance. If you want me to dance, go to that video now and give me 50 likes. If I receive 50 likes on that video, I'm going to reveal to you my favorite dance moves. Or dance move. I might as well change career after this. I'm going to be a full-time dancer. So, give me 50 likes and I will reveal to you my favorite dance step. And it's not Tala. I cannot dance that. It's so hard. Today I'm going to unbox my new ukulele. My new kalimba. Today I'm going to unbox a new kalimba. It is Gecko 17K. This one ay baliktad. We're going to unbox this right now. And a little bit of sound check with my looper. Let's do this.